Welcome to the Ultipa GQL Fundamentals class. Filtering is essential for retrieving relevant data in queries. We've covered label expression, property specification, and the where clause for setting conditions. In this lesson, we'll explore them further. A label expression can specify one or multiple labels. The second match statement retrieves employs or has product edges. The two labels are combined using a vertical bar, which is the logical operator OR. In Ultipa, each node or edge has only one label. Therefore, querying edges with both employs and has product labels won't return any result. Property specification applies multiple equality conditions to filter nodes or edges. This means that all specified properties must exist, and their values must match exactly. The where clause is the most flexible way to set conditions. You can combine multiple conditions with logical operators. This query searches for nodes whose type is gold and level is 5. GQL supports AND, OR, XOR, and NOT. The XOR operator retrieves nodes where either type is gold or level is 5, but not those meet both criteria. The NOT operator negates the specified condition. If a node has a type of gold and a level of 5, it's excluded from the results. You can use comparison operators in a where clause. This query finds edges with a weight greater than 4. Comparison operators include equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, or equal to, less than or equal to, and in. You can set a range. Compare date-time values. The in operator checks if a value exists within a list. To compare string values, use the contains operator. This query searches articles whose titles contain the string graph. The operator performs an exact match, so you may want to apply the lower or upper function to convert the title letters to lowercase or uppercase for case-insensitive matching. In a path, you can compare different graph elements. This where clause ensures that the levels of nodes in the path are in descending order. This query finds products purchased by different users who are from the same city. A quick note before we conclude. This query has a syntax error as GQL doesn't allow both property specification and the where clause within the same node or edge pattern. To fix this, you can move the where clause outside the node pattern. You can pause the video to test your learning. The correct answers will appear in 10 seconds. In this lesson, we learn how to use label expression, property specification, and the where clause to filter queries and the usage of some GQL operators.